This video is going to show you the College 101 course. It's going to cover the different units and also what you must do in order to get credit for the course. This course is going to be open to all seniors for the class of 2023. You can sign up to take it for credit, or you can just access the course for the resources. So either way is fine, but I'm going to be reviewing how to get credit for the course in this video. So there are different units in the College 101 course. You can see here we've got the senior year planning, college major exploration, college exploration, admissions tests, applications, financial aid, how to accept admission and review the first year of college, creating a 5-year plan, and then just kind of a resources folder. So if you're planning to take this course for credit, then I highly recommend just starting at the top and working your way through. I did make it so you could complete the units out of order, but in order to get credit, you have to have every unit has to say complete. So, for example, if you go into the senior year planning, there's going to be instructions for completing the senior year planning unit, and it tells you review this presentation, complete this assessment. Click the links, make copies or print out both documents. When you made a copy or printed them, complete the assessment. Review the how-to setting SMART goals, make a copy of that make a copy of the template, complete the SMART goal assessment. Now, if you're in the folder, you just work your way down. So, instructions, you can hit next. It'll take you straight to the graduation requirements presentation. You can go through that presentation. Once you've read through the presentation, you'll hit next. It takes you to the graduation assessment. You can look and see the questions, earning credits, competencies, seals, and then when you're finished with that, you should be able to say meets the requirements, and you'll be able to go on to the senior year timeline. So this one is a senior year timeline, just general. Hit next. You can review the senior year college bound timeline. Now, to make a copy of this document, all you'll do is file, make a copy, and it's going to give you your own, and then you can add your last name to it. It'll copy into your Google Drive. You can print it out, and then you'll have a copy of it for yourself. You'll take the assessment, and then you'll move on to setting the SMART goals. So that's going to be how to setting SMART goals. Sometimes it'll be an article like this that you'll just read through right here. If for some reason it wasn't popping up, you could also click this little out button and it opens it up to a new tab. And then when you come back, you'll still have access to that article. It's just in a different tab. This is another example where you have to make a copy. So you just file, make a copy, and then you complete the assessment. Now, once you've completed all of the requirements, it's going to say everything should have a green check mark. And then you'll go back to the main page for the course, and you'll see that senior year planning is complete. So green check mark for senior year planning. You can go to the next section, or maybe you want to skip forward and just look at the college admissions unit. You can click the college admissions unit. This is a good example of a place where you have 4 required tasks, and then you have resources that you can use just for your own help. So that is how to complete each unit. Once you have a green check mark for all the units, then you'll have completed the course, and you'll email Mrs. Emmons, Emmons_E@milfordschools.org, and I will get that credit added to your transcript. I do want to point out some students may just want to enter the course for this college applications folder. So this one is going to go through a lot of things related to college applications. It's the biggest piece of College 101 probably. So there's the overview of college application deadlines. That's a video that that you can watch. We've got the checklist. If you're applying to college through Common App, you can make a copy of this for yourself. But it walks you through create a Common App account, how to match your Naviance in Common App, visit the college's website to determine what you need to submit, what materials you need to submit. If you need to, instructions on how to submit the required documentation, complete each section. So all of that walk you through one step by one step, each piece of the college application process. There's also a lot of resources in here as well. The college application video series is a big one. If you go here, you can see college application resources, how to add colleges to Naviance, how to find the student profile and parent brag sheet, how to complete a letter of recommendation request, so on and so forth. Probably one of my more common videos that people access is the Common App sections and questions. It goes through each section of the Common App and answers the most common questions that we get related to that application. So that's a good resource as well. So you could potentially sign into this course, not for credit, but just to get to this college admission or to get to the college applications unit for some of those helpful things. There's also the financial aid section as well. So that's how you're going to complete the course. If you have questions, you can contact Mrs. Emmons at emmons_e@milfordschools.org at any time, and I'll be happy to help you figure this out.